Today, we are going to discuss about the most common but the gravest mistake being committed by almost all the newbie traders into the market. This mistake is of being an all-rounder. Every newbie trader dreams to be an all-rounder in almost all the segments of the market, but he hardly realizes that by starting from one segment and then switching to the next, he is hardly gaining any expertise in the next segment, but is of hardly relief for the losses which he has committed in the earlier segment. We do start from one segment, which is the most liquid segment of the market, because the technical analysis is more efficient in the most liquid segment, and hence we give them the expertise which is of more requisite for the foundation of their trading careers, and then they switches from one to next, but not with the losses, but with the expertise in both the segments. But ultimately, we suggest all the traders out there that do restrict yourself with one or two segments of the market, gain expertise, and then earn wealth in the markets. Thank you and have a good day.